Hey, hey! It's so soft! Girls, attention! The choice of the century is about to happen! Zoe gets the cardboard castle! Cardboard again! I got the fluffy one! First, we need to change the look.
Okay.
Let's fly into crafting! Hurry up! Rumi is about to transform into a fluffy princess. Let's check the checklist. Outfit, shoes, princess makeup. Where do we start? We start with materials. Let's prepare everything we need. Part 1, the outfit. Let's do this. This fabric is so soft. I need to cut it. Like this, don't move. Almost done. All that's left is gluing the strap. Hot glue will help with that. Next, I'll need some shear tool. I fold it in half and sew it by hand. A fluffy underskirt is ready. Let's add even more softness to this look. Hit like if you agree that Rumi looks like a princess. We've completed the first item. Grab a marker and check it off. Princess outfit done. Now the shoes. We're heading to the shoe store. So many choices. I want these sneakers.
I like it.
Oh, and these shoes. I need to try them on.
Nice.
Sit in the chair. Sneakers won't work here. But the shoes, they fit perfectly. Done. Time for makeup and hair. First, we need to clean the face. Let's apply some bright eyeshadow. Now onto the hair. I smooth it with a brush and decorate the braid with pom-poms. What do you think of the result? I think it turned out super cute. It reminds me of my prom look. I run a pearl string along the edges of the dress, a shiny heart in the center, and fluffy pom-poms. I feel like a real princess. Wow, we've completed so many items. My dolls are so photogenic. Meanwhile, Zoe has sailed up to her castle. Oh, I feel dizzy. Time to dock. Why is it closed? You can only enter in a cardboard look. The Cardboard Princess checklist. I have to wear cardboard too? No way! Don't be upset, everything will be bright and beautiful. First, choose a color. So pretty. I like blue. Great choice. I take a piece of corrugated cardboard and draw a sketch. Trust my scissors. I carefully cut it out. A corset is ready. Secure it on the back with a drop of glue. Moving on to the skirt, trace the template onto cardboard. We'll need 5 pieces. Scissors perfectly. Shape the pieces and assemble the skirt. I color it with markers. Awesome, the princess dress is ready. Now it needs some cute shoes. Zoe, what do you think? I don't like heels. But sneakers, that's a whole different story. Modern princesses make their own rules. Yippee! On to the third item. What's next on the plan? Makeup. I'll draw a sketch. I'm so inspired. What do you think of this eyeshadow and lipstick? We'll cut them right out of the drawing. Glue them onto the doll. Makeup is done. Moving on to the hairstyle. Decorate Zoe's buns with paper shavings. A cardboard crown. So, how do I look? Princess Zoe shines under the spotlight. Perfect, our makeover plan is complete. Welcome inside. Yay! Oh, what's that? Looks like it came from the fluffy castle. Let's follow the trail. And here is Rumi's future home. Everything here is so fluffy. Rumi is thrilled with her castle. I think it needs a window.
Yes!
Okay, no problem. Remember, you have to be careful with hot glue. Attach it to the wall. Perfect. Awesome, it's so bright now. But what kind of castle has no towers?
Oh my gosh!
Be careful there, and I'll take care of everything. We'll need a plastic bottle and foam sheets. But there's only regular foam, and I need sparkly. No worries, I've got glitter. Wrap the bottle. Secure the edge with glue. Great! Now it's time to make the roof. I love cutting things. It's so fun. I prepared a semicircle. Roll it into a cone and place it on top. Decorate the edge with pom-pom trim. Secure the window. Pom-poms go on the walls. And a cute fluffy weather vane on top. Made one big tower and two small ones. Ta-da! Oh, how cool! I'm glad Rumi likes it. And I'll decorate the floor in the meantime. Twist the chenille wire into a circle. It turned out super cute. Wait, the perfect decor detail! I'll put a fluffy flower in the corner. It needs more festive vibes. The final touch? A sign with Rumi's name. And my royal portrait goes here. Very majestic. And my stickers.
Yippee! I like it!
Ta-da! The fluffy castle is ready.
Nice! I like it!
This is amazing. High five. Here you go, cutie.
Why are you yelling? Sure, it's beautiful. No worries, I'll make one for myself too. Let's go.
Full speed ahead.
So, shall we work on my cardboard kingdom? Look what I found for the floor.
Looks interesting. But first, let's clean up this mess. I glue the checkered tape in strips. Like this, one by one.
Awesome! Now let's work on the walls.
Okay, Zoe. Trim the sheet to shape using a craft knife. Apply glue to the wall. Decorate the joints. Oops, I'm so clumsy. But this cardboard will come in handy. I roll it into a tube. Sorry, little frog, but I need to cut off the extra. A column is ready. I'll craft a decoration from this strip. It needs to be rolled from both sides. Apply glue and secure it with curls facing down. A square of cardboard on top. Place the columns inside. The cardboard castle needs a grand entrance. I draw a sketch with a marker. Pow! I apply glue and place them. It looks absolutely incredible! Decorate it with a cardboard crown. All that's missing now are the towers. Wrap Pringles containers with cardboard. A bright roof. Oh, hey, stay straight. Attach a flag to a toothpick and place it on top. Jagged round balconies. Ta-da!
You forgot the sign!
I trust you with it. Climb up.
Doing everything myself. There we go, much better.
While you're up there, we can hang a garland too.
It looks so impressive.
Oh, where did this foam come from?
Oh no, my castle will be ruined. Dirty dishes won't wait. Hey, where are you going? Fine, I'll grab another one.
Hey!
I don't need the duck right now. But fluffy yarn, that's the thing. I'll knit using just my fingers. My beloved grandma taught me how. This is the chain I got. I cut off the extra and wrap it around the sponge. Don't forget to measure the size before knitting. Apply hot glue to the woven sponge. I roll it into a spiral and attach it to the headboard. Oh, what a cute bed. Sorry, little duck, I need your pillow. We can trust the scissors. They know what to do. I apply glue and secure the edges. Wrap it with pom-pom trim. A cute little pillow is ready. Final touch, a crown. A true royal bed. I'll take it to Rumi. Performance is in full swing. Bravo! Amazing! Looks like we just attended a free concert. Phew, I'm kinda tired. And now, a bedtime fairy tale. And what happened next?
And they lived happily ever after. Shh, don't make noise.
Knock, knock. May I come in? Zoe, why are you sitting on the floor? Take a seat on the chair.
Ew, just a regular chair? I want a throne worthy of a princess.
No worries, Your Highness. We'll fix everything right now. Ooh, what can we do with it? That's it. I'll need corrugated cardboard to give this old chair a brand new life. Cut it neatly using a ruler. Get a long strip, fold it in half and attach it to the sides. Gorgeous armrests. Apply glue and cover the front legs. Paper shavings go on the seat. We want Zoe to be comfy after all. I decorate the backrest with colored pencils. I hope my little brother won't notice I borrowed them. And a cute heart in the center. I highlight the curves with white paste. Made with care. Please take a seat, Your Majesty. Zoe really loves her throne.
Wonderful, but my castle needs more art. Hello, I need an artist for a portrait.
Who said the artist? Madame, I am the best in all of France.
Let's get to work. Start painting.
Paintings are actually created. Well then, let me begin.
Okay, let's figure out the proportions.
I am so inspired. This is my greatest work.
I want to see it.
Yay! Wait just a second. No, stop!
What?
Oh, phew, that's much better.
It's a masterpiece. Here's a croissant for your work.
Oh, thank you, but I am on a diet.
Bye.
Let's hang the portrait in a place of honor.
So beautiful.
Hit like if you feel inspired to recreate this cardboard castle craft. What about transportation? This carriage is not Rumi's style at all. I wrap it in fluffy fabric. Oh no, I can't reach the chenille wire. Aha, got it. Shape it into a crown and attach it to the roof. I also decorate the window with chenille wire. Look what I have! It sparkles so nicely. All that's left is adding pom-poms to the carriage. Absolutely adorable!
If you like it too, don't forget to hit like.
Your Majesty, it's time for the ball.
Huh? Did I oversleep? Wow, is this for me?
Jump in. The carriage will take you there in just a moment.
Let's go.
See you soon, girls.
Where is she? Late again?
The dolls are already here.
Whoa, you came by taxi? Get out, let's hurry to the ball. Why rush? It's such a lovely day. Let's go. Hey, why are the gates closed? What does it say?
Entry for dance pairs only. So what do we do now?
Uh-oh. I have already found a couple of dance partners. Perfect, they'll do.
There's one more warning here. Did you read it?
Now we need masks too?
No need to get upset. I'll handle everything right now. Let's start with Zoe. We'll need paper tape. I stick it onto the doll and draw the mask shape with a marker. Now let's choose cardboard.
I'll do it myself. 1 second.
Trust the professional. Glue the template and cut it out with scissors. On a piece of foam sheet, I press in a pattern using a dotting tool. I don't work with it very often. I should change that. Cool feathers turned out. All that's left is decorating the mask with rhinestones. Zoe, try it on.
I look so mysterious.
Hey, wait. Take masks for everyone else.
Asked me to give these to you.
Thank you.
Now the group is ready to go to the ball. The gates open before them. So beautiful.
But why is there nothing here?
That was the plan. I have a surprise. The ball will take place in your castles. And here's the stage for the performance. Shall we dance?
Yeah. May I have your hand, my lady?
Of course. Oh, what a waltz!
So elegant.
And now it's time to light it up. Hit like if you enjoyed crafting castles with me. See you next time.